Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am homeopathic Dr. Ishaq Aman Khan. Today I am going to discuss about the nervous system. We use the word nervousness, etc. But we should know that what is the nervous system. Nervous system is the body's main normal command, control and communication network, which is consisting of brain, spinal cord and nerves. It uses electrical signals to send messages between the brain and the body to regulate everything from conscious movements and senses to involuntary functions like breathing and heart rate, etc. It uses nerve cells, which are called neurons, for the sending of these messages to the body. So there are main three parts of nervous systems. Number one is brain, number two is spinal cord, and number three is nerves. Now, as we discussed, the nerve cells are the neurons. There are three types of neurons. Number one is motor neuron. What they do? They take signal from brain and spinal cord to muscles to help movement of muscles, breathing, swallowing, speaking, etc. The next is sensory neurons. They sense what? Take information from senses. I mean from seeing, touching, tasting. They send these to the brain. After that, brain reacts. When, for example, if you are near the fire and your skin body senses the heat, it sends messages through sensory neurons to the brain, and then you remove yourself from the fire. This is the sensory neuron system. Then there is interneurons. They act between motor and sensory neurons. So there are three types of neurons. So to sum up the nervous system is the network of messages from brain to body and from body to brain. This is very simple. Three things are used: what? Brain, spinal cord and nerves, and neurons that are the electrical signals through which this system works. These are three: motor neurons, sensory neurons and interneurons. Now, when we are discussing about the nervous system in the light of homeopathy, of course, the method of treating nervous system in homeopathy, we have got a couple of best remedies for this purpose. Number one is gelsemium. In homeopathy, gelsemium is the top remedy for the problems of nervous system. The second is Coliphos. It is also a very good remedy for the nervous system disorders, which can be discussed separately, but today we are just discussing about the nervous system and the treatment in homeopathy about the disorders of nervous system. So these are main remedies. There are so many other remedies which are very useful. Hypericum is also very good. This is sensory remedy because it works on the nerves in the body. And Coliphos and gelsemium are mostly related to brain. Hypericum is mostly related to sensory neurons or body, you can say. So these are the few remedies which are very helpful in the treatment of nervous system disorders. I hope you got my point. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.